What's up YouTube, back here again with another video, and today, drone drop. Yesterday was quad box, today, drone drop. Here we go, April 2018, excuse me, 2018 box. Let's crack into it. Now, I will be honest, I've already looked into this bad boy, and I think I'm pretty happy with this guy, so let's crack into it. Alright, at first, we are greeted, we'll get to that little Jim Jam in a minute, we are greeted with 3 sets of props, as always. These guys are the 5.1 by 5.1 by 3 V1S HQ props. I think these are some of their more aggressive. They're a 5.1 inch blade. They definitely got some aggression to them, that's for sure. I've been liking the 4.8s as of late. Alright, and we got this other thing right here. Ethics. And you might be saying, oh, that's it? That's all you get in the box? No, no, no. Let's crack into this guy. You know what this is yet? You know what Ethics is yet? We'll talk about it in a second. So you open this up, you get, these are supposedly XT60 like protectors. And they work, they go on, they protect your connections. And to be honest, I have like 3D printed ones with different colors. I'm not really sure what the point of connecting, you know, covering your XT60s. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't had any issues. But anyway, you get a pack of 20 of these guys from Team Black Sheep. They do work. The next thing we got here is our sticker packs. Let's see, we got some Ethics stickers, some Team Black Sheep stickers. So that's cool. Plenty of stickers. I got more stickers. And here we go, the star of the show. So you're getting 2 kind of higher end items. I think this is probably 15 or 20 bucks. Not sure offhand. And we get the new TBS Unified Pro HV Race MMCX version. So this finally has an MMCX connector on it. Finally. Now MMCX is not perfect. Well, check this out. Ain't that a son of a bitch? Really? Really, Team Black Sheep? Really? No antenna in the box? Even just a janky antenna just to get you going? I'm not a fan of that, but... Well, so this is the race version. I believe this is 200 milliwatts, up to 200 milliwatts. Yeah, 25, 200 milliwatts. ABEFRL, standard amount of channels, HV input, ground, video, audio output. I believe your audio, that's going to be your smart audio. Version 1, Pro 5.8. Man, that's kind of freaking beat street that they didn't give you even like a little antenna lead or an SMA connector or anything. That's kind of crazy. I mean, I assume most people are going to probably put their own antenna on, maybe, but I don't have a whole lot of just antennas with MMCX, so at this point in time I have to find, you know, something from something else. I mean, I have stuff around here, but I think they should at least put a little lead in there, definitely. But thank goodness they went to MMCX, because I've had nothing but problems with the UFL connectors. But there you go. I don't even think you can buy these just yet. They're like just ready to come out. And we get 5% off at for Velocidrone, which is cool. Now this case right here is a transmitter bag. Now I'm pretty sure this is designed for the Taranis X9D, but if you have an X9D with a standard antenna, you know how it sticks out kind of far, you might struggle getting this guy in here, but my X7 fits in here perfect. And these are the guy Ethics, you know, Mr. Steel and Snake FPV and who's the other guy? Forgive me, I know there's some other guys involved, but they are, you know, making their products. And you got a nice little transmitter bag, which is cool. Protect your transmitter while you put it in. But I think for a lot of people, because he uses the Crossfire with, I guess, a detachable antenna, and if you're able to take your antenna off the top, you know, you're going to be able to get in here, but you can see my X7 just fits. You know, just fits in here. So if you don't have a removable antenna, or you have like a standard X9D with a tall little thing here, you're probably, I mean, it might stretch a little, but whatever. And if you have a Spectrum, you're totally screwed because your antenna doesn't bend at all. So there you go. If you have a QX7 or a removable antenna on your X9D, you're good to go. Alright. Drone drop for April. Transmitter bag. HV Race Pro with MMCX, 20 XT60 connectors, 3 sets of HQ 5.1 by 5.1 props, and our sticker packs, and 5% off on Velocidrone. Where is that little thing? Now, I already bought Velocidrone, so for me, here it is. 5% discount when buying through Team Black Sheep for a limited time. So there you go. And Velocidrone, here we got the card right here for Velocidrone, so 5% off Velocidrone. And there you go, drone drop for 2018. Not a bad box. That's that HV thing there is pretty sweet. This will unify. Can't go wrong with that. I do have a build on the way here, so I guess we're not going to use this guy anymore. Why not use this guy? There's a little MMCX connector right in there. There you go. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.